Old Furnace State Park in Killingly, Connecticut. We provided an attractive environment consistent with our mission to manage and protect our natural resources. The necessary knowledge, skill, and equipment for a safe visit are your responsibility. There are inherent dangers here. Enjoy your visit. All right then, thank you. Dad! What's this over here? Ew. Oh, of course, the little nip bottles. Yep. Okay. Yep. What else is new? Littering. Shame on these people. Old Furnace State Park. This is the map. Where are we? Does it say?
We're not over here because 695 ain't around here.
Where? Access
We're
Road?
gonna be up here. This is Route 6. We must be right there.
Possession of booze, no drinking of booze. Bad. Bad litter.
Need water to get across.
Right, me neither. I'm not prepared for that.
Just that little bit there, I feel the moisture coming through my fingers.
It's dark down here. Nice. Yeah, and the rocks are wet, so I don't need to tell you to...
Well, I think I'm going to give it my best shot and go across.
Me too. Cool. Gotta be so careful. It's a beautiful color. This area is troublesome, folks, because the trails aren't marked, so we're wandering around getting lost.
Whatever here at one time, nobody moved across here. They had to be
Yeah.
You want to go first so you don't have to my back?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get in front of you so I don't have to drag you into my melee. Oh, look, there's a bridge.
My goodness.
A real one, too.
We don't have to swim.
Wow.
I feel weird without my phone.
I should feel liberated.
That too. It won't cut my trip short.
Oh, this is disintegrating into a...
No, it isn't. It's getting better.
Every time...
Yeah.
Huh?
Go the right way.
Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, Frank.
Frank. I knew I'd get it right in front.
All right, now I gotta...
No, this time I actually
Those are cool. Well, that should make the parking lot over there, right?
No.
So I'm going down this road hoping to get a shortcut to the parking lot, but I don't know. I'm just guessing here.
Yeah.
Somebody littered their shoes. I don't know why.